Today, we're going to talk about the differences in the Willamette Valley and Salem from when the Calipuyan Indians started living there and settling there, and when the settlers came later on. Salem has a Cascade Mountain range, as well as the Willamette River. The Calipuyan Indians lived modest lives. They had summer homes that were temporary right along the Mill Creek River. They were made of planks, bark, skin, and blankets. They hunted and gathered, and they used all of the animal parts in order to make their homes nice for themselves. They also had permanent winter homes in the mountains made of packed dirt, where they would pass the winter. When the settlers started to arrive, they dug out streets in order to get to where they wanted to go. They built log cabins. These were permanent homes where they could live. The settlers came to the Willamette Valley in wagon trains on the Oregon Trail. The Calipuyan Indians did not cause environmental harm. They left the trees as they were, and any trees that were chopped down were used for fire. The settlers came and chopped down many trees in order to make room to build crops and build houses. The Willamette River is an important part of Salem. Many of the happenings in Salem revolve around the river. When the Calipuyan Indians were living in the Willamette Valley before the settlers came, they would hunt for their food. They would eat things like fish from the Willamette River. They hunted as well with bow and arrow. They would hunt deer, elk, squirrels, and groundhogs. They gathered their own berries from the natural berry plants that grew along the river, and they picked hazelnuts and acorns to eat as well. The settlers, since they had chopped down so many trees, had a very fertile land where they could plant crops in order to eat. The Calipuyan Indians called Salem Shemeketa, which means pleasant home. The settlers changed the name to Salem, which means place of peace.